You okay, kid?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm sorry about your brother.
Me and Derek had quite a few problems, but he was my brother, and it hurts. Poor fucking bastard. He believed in something once, which is better than me, I guess. Fuck, I'll miss him.
How are you? In here?
Fine. Time of my life. Goddamn time of my life.
What you up for?
A lot of things. Racketeer and armed robbery. A bunch of shit I never did because I was always a well-behaved family man who occasionally liked to drink, but nothing more.
Of course. Like us all.
Like us all. But the thing is, I think I should make some changes in my life. Stop with the drink. Put it down. Stop hanging out with the wrong sort. Can you help me do that? It is a final chance at redemption.
Look, whatever you want, I will do my best to help.
Good. Give Packy a call. He'll explain what, I need guidance with the most. The areas where I have strayed furthest from the path. See ya.
Your brother told me to call you.
Jerry wants us to kidnap old man Ancelotti's daughter. Some fake tan, dyed-haired, Guido-loving slut by the name of Grace. She's selling her tasteful pink felter on autoerotica at the moment. Get online, organize a viewing, and snatch that bitch. When you got her, bring her to a place we got on an alleyway off Sacramento.
I can do that.
You can do anything, Nico. Don't let her on that you're kidnapping her near her place, though. Play along with a test drive for a while to get her out of there. It's a real mobbed-up area, and they'll come down on you damn heavy.
Aren't you going to help?
One of my fucking brothers just got shot, and another one's in the pen. Someone's gotta be with my ma.
Alright everybody, what's going on? Kasam Sensei here. This is the mission called I'll Take Her for Grand Theft Auto 4. This is the main story missions, and yeah, this is the I'll Take Her mission. And yeah, the first part of this mission is that you have to head to this internet cafe, of course, to meet up with the this lady, Gracie, who is selling her car online. So yeah, you have to get online to get in contact with her. So of course, as soon as you head over here to this internet cafe, use the computer, click on the web, autoeroticacar.com. That's the website. There's the website here, so just click on here and just click on the Few Cars tab, which is over here, and then just scroll down to find the pink Feltzer. There it is. So here's the number. You now have the girl's number in the phone book, so you just log out, just press BBB all the way, and then you have the mob daughter's number, and then you could call her. So I'm gonna give her, I'll call the target between 8 and 9 p.m. to meet up with her. Okay. So of course now it's too late, so of course I have to wait until daytime to call her. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait till daytime, and yeah, let's go on with it. Okay, so now as you can see, the time is 8:22, 8:23. So I'm gonna call the mob daughter now, and let's make this arrangement.
I'm calling about the car.
Come to my place on Babbage Drive. You don't sound like the sort of man who'd drive a pink convertible.
Well, I can't resist a bargain.
Okay, there you go. So you made the meeting with her. So now this mission starts. I'll take her. So of course, just head over to the Ancelotti's place on the blip, and you can see her outside of the pink car.
You're the guy who calls about the car, the one with the sexy accent.
You mind if I take a test drive?
You can test drive whatever you want. I love riding in cars with you European types. My family's from Italia, you know, somewhere in the south. Why don't you drive towards the south coast? We can enjoy the day.
Okay, here you go. So of course, just drive it. Just had to drive her, and of course, you will end up having a conversation with her, and try not to crash the car.
So, you like the car? I didn't think a manly guy like you would drive something like this. You got a wife or a girlfriend or something?
I'm picking this up for a friend.
Yeah? What a gentleman. You don't meet guys like you in the city no more. All the good men are gone is what my dad says.
Your dad sounds real old school. You and him close.
Shit, my brains, how am I gonna sell this? Not really. He's great and all, it's just I don't like his tough guy friends. I only hang out with gay guys, you know? At least they won't try and get in your pants every 10 seconds. Not that I don't like guys trying to get in my pants. I appreciate fun as much as the next girl. Maybe even more than the next girl.
You having fun at the moment?
Maybe too much fun. Call me Gracie, by the way.
Sure thing, Gracie.
Okay, here you go. So you just have to try to, you know, once you get around here, so now just time to initiate the kidnapping, okay?
All right.
So that's it. So all you have to do is just drive really fast and get to the next checkpoint, which is already marked on the map, so you just have to follow it.
Other than the car.
So there you go.
I am. I'm here to kidnap you, Grace Ancelotti. I don't want to hurt you, so remain fucking calm.
Fuck you! That's it.
Okay, there you go. So as soon as you told her you're about to kidnap her, she said she threatens to call her dad. So and then you end up throwing her phone out, which is pretty cool, really cool. And of course she will try to interfere with your driving, make you crash every once in a while. So you just really have to be careful, otherwise you can't look like that. Oh, that's so close. You could end up running up into the river, end up killing her, and then you'll fail the mission. So you just have to be careful. So of course eventually as a driver you will knock her out, so that's really cool. And just head over to this blip and drive there in peace, really. So this is the safe house. And just stop in here to continue on with the mission.
There he is. Stevie, dump the car. I'll take this piece of ass.
Guys, the beach better be worth the trouble.
The pa's got some serious cash. And he pissed off Gerald. That's reason enough for me.
Well, they better pay quick. I hate to think of the fight she'll put up if you try to cut her fingers off.
Okay, there you go. So this is like the second part of the mission now. Of course, Internet Cafe is the first part. This is the second part where you pick up the to do the drive-through. And of course, $9,500 where you complete this
Gordon
part.
has the bitch. I'm done with her.
Thanks, Nico. My brother will be a happy man. I'll get things in motion. Be in touch.
Okay, there you go. So of course there is more to this mission that is not even really completed yet. So you just have to wait until Packy calls you again.
How's my favorite girl?
We need a picture of Grace. Her pa thinks she's holed up with some guy. You don't believe we got her. Will you do it? I'm still upset.
So I'm a portrait photographer now, am I? Okay, I'll send you it on my phone.
Okay, here you go. So this is like the third part of the mission where you just have to take a photo of her. Basically a ransom photo, really. So this is just a really just a small portion, which I feel is just part of this mission. So that's why I just included it in here, in this video. So of course, should just get up here, head upstairs into the safe house. So up here and through this door. Here she is. Press LB to get a good look, to get her to look at you. So there you go. So there she looks. Pull out your camera and just take a photo of her. Nice. Send the photo to Packy. Send it. There you go. So of course, before you get out of this building, this is really funny. This guy's here who's looking after her is watching porn. Look at the TV. That was funny. That's a little funny joke. Okay, so there you go. So you just have to get out of this building to complete this mission. Okay, I'm Sam Cesar. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm out. Peace.